Dang. Yeah, that's hard. We're gonna see about it. Alright, so today I got plans to take the screws out of this thing because I'm ready to see how this panel bond actually holds up. If it holds super strong. Again, this is the same stuff the professionals use. I imagine it's going to do pretty good, but we're going to see about it. Take every one of these screws out, give it like a little pull test. After that, it'd just be a matter of running my Bondo glass up on it, seeing about making this work. Well, there it is. Let's see. Yeah, that's on there pretty good. I'm happy with that. This way I can go in and I can feel this and I ain't got to worry about it like vibrating loose, cracking or nothing. Using the Bondo glass, it being glass reinforced, I'll get to feather all this in, not have to worry about it cracking or nothing. That's the worst thing ever when somebody grafts one of these body kits. It starts to crack at the seams, indicating either cheap filler or a rush job or trauma of some sort. It could have been, you know, this is metal, this being fiberglass. It'd be different when you can like weld the metal and fill your seam. This is about the best you're going to get as far as welding fiberglass to metal, apparently. That's on there. Really happy with this outcome. I like it. Totally resculpted the quarter to look how I want it to. Okay, got that keyed up real good. Ready for some Bondo glass. Even flattened all this out, blocked it out real good. Basically a shelf's just going to extend out and just fill right, just pour right over this edge. Every one of these holes I've opened up just a little bit, just to accept some body filler. That way it grabs real good. When I shot my screws, it kind of protruded them just a little bit, but I knocked some of that down by opening up the hole just a hair with a drill bit. It's ready for Bondo glass now. But there's one thing I do want to address, and that's this body line that I worked so hard on. I didn't take into account the original body shape I pulled off the car, but I need to strike me a line and go from here to right over here. Got it Bondo glassed up a little bit. We're going to see how it turns out. I'm going to let this set up, give it a good sanding. Theoretically, I should only have to add just a little bit of just some regular body filler, some feather light or something to it. So we'll see how it turns out. I never did get to address this right here, so I'll be doing that real soon. As you can see, I tried filling in that little spot. We'll see what it turns out like when this sets up, and I'll address that under there. If you're liking what you're seeing here, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification to let you know when I'm posting stuff like this. I'm trying to post at least once a week. I'll do my best to get it out there. Just stay tuned. Until next time, see ya.